made a video on this, but y'all don't be dropping no recommendations in the comments, so I'm gonna come back with a part 2 to this. How to make your dreads hang. Alright, so to make your dreads hang, it could be anything that put any kind of light pressure on your hair that holds it down. Or either your hair just long enough it fall down on its own. See, my hair really ain't, well, my hair, I put something on it to lay it down. It might be long enough now to hang on its own if I never put nothing on it, but I put something on it. Watch my video of what I sleep with. You can tell. Let's get a thumbnail real quick. Alright though, but most of y'all watch my sleeping hair video, what I sleep with. If you didn't, just scroll down, you'll see it. It might be in the description below if I feel like doing it. And but yeah, all you need is, you can put anything on here. You can put on a big sock, you can put on a trash bag, a towel, shirt, anything that pushes your hair to lay down like this. That's what you can wear. Cause if you push your hair down like this, then obviously when you take it off, your hair gonna be down like that. But now I believe my hair is stuck now. I wash it, fall down. I do anything, fall back down. I have it like this up for a while, fall right back down. So at this point, it's locked to hanging. Okay, you just locked hanging, the correct term. Let's do a quick spin around. But yeah, YouTube, that's how to make your hair hang. This video is at 127. That's a little too short. Got the back hanging, all that. I need to cut the size. When I went to the barber, he had me looking crispy. I want to go back to the barber, but I don't want to waste my money. So YouTube, we're gonna have to get this popping that gives me money, so I am allowed to go to the barber every 2 weeks. And if I go to the barber every 2 weeks, maybe I can go to the mall and I can do some challenges, like pulling 10 girls at the mall in 1 hour. With my barber, he is a master barber. He has business cards. Your barber does not have business card, and your barber is not a master. Your barber does not charge $10 for a master haircut. If your barber is a master, he's charging $10 and up. But see, my barber is a master, and he is 10 bucks. Okay, 10 bucks. I get a fade, basically 2 parts on the side. Oh, what am I talking about? This video is getting too long. Yeah, that's how you make your hair hang. End of the video.